Will Robinson here from Robinson's Auto. Welcome back. Just want to take a moment, wish everybody a happy, safe, and prosperous new year. Hope all your goals, your dreams, your resolutions come true. If you're anything like me, you don't really wait for January 1st to make these goals or resolutions. You kind of do it day by day and have a big plan, have that forecast, but we try not to focus on it too much because tomorrow is never really guaranteed per se, but what we do know is what we've done and accomplished in the past. So for me, it's a time that I take and I look back on how far I've came. Hey guys, it's Will Robinson here. I'm an automotive technician. If you would like, I'll share some videos with you guys. Okay, here we are. And I must say we did pretty well. It may not have been overnight, may not have been super fast, but I hope you guys see that we set some goals and we're slowly accomplishing that. And it brings me to why I even started this channel way back when I did. Not only to help people out, but also to motivate myself to chase a dream that I kept on losing traction of. I knew if I put myself out there, it would motivate me to prove to not just myself, but to others that I have what it takes to make this happen and see if others believe in me as much as I believe in myself, to give me that extra courage to take that next step. And I gotta say, I'm truly thankful. I'm blessed for every one of you guys, and I'm not sure it's greater than words can say or even thoughts can imagine, the support that this channel has gave me over the years to bring me to where I am today. And I hope it helped inspire other people, seeing the transitions take place from that little two-bay garage.
Why is the lights breaking off and on? There we are.
It goes without saying that it's been a huge, huge help to this business, to me being here today. I remember when I flipped that camera on for the first time, I wasn't even sure what I was thinking. Well, I could tell you what I was thinking. I was thinking, I have these dreams, I want to make them a reality. I have this little two-bay shop. I feel like sometimes I lose motivation and I have this full-time job that supports my family, but I'm afraid to take this next step and all these other things. Now, when I came from a family-owned and operated garage, it set those dreams for me as a young kid to one day have this. Well, a moment to say goodbye to the shop once again. And so I set out and I put it all on the line. I put it out there for you guys to see. And with hopes my story would help motivate someone else to chase their dreams and put themselves out there to lead by example and maybe set a good example to show people that there is hope. If you think it can happen as long as you put the work in and the time in. You got to be patient. It doesn't happen overnight. Like you can see looking back on our story, it's not been the most smoothest sailing ship, but we've slowly made huge leaps and bounds. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year's.